Hey guys, hello everyone. Myself Vikta Parik and I am as Android developer at my company. So I am here to share some of the knowledge regarding Android technology and all. Here my topic is chatbot. You might aware of this chatbot stuff. If you are not, then I'll explain what is that actually. We can say that chatbot is an artificial intelligence system that it can be your friend or it can be anything. It can be an assistant or anything. Like in real world, how can you use that? In real world, we know that it helps you to remember some information, or it can give you some information, like you can say, hey Google, hey this thing, please give me this, please give me track number of this, please play this number. You can help with it, can help you with that. We can say that in now technologies there is a vast shift by using artificial intelligence. So here I am helping you to share my knowledge, how a chatbot works and how it helps in real world. So let's check the implementation part for that, and what are the prerequisites if you want to develop in Android. The prerequisites are Android Studio, JDK, Dialogflow account, Dialog account, Google Cloud account, Dialogflow API account, and I'll show you some code part and everything. Let's move to that. So basic part is Dialogflow. You can achieve this by three ways, like using AI/ML language, Dialogflow API, and these things. Okay. So let's check what is the Dialogflow. Dialogflow is nothing. It uses the assistant conversation thing. So let's see how we can train the agent, how we can train agent in the Dialogflow. So there are three types of that: entities, intents, and fulfillments. These three things help us to prepare our agent, how the user will send the request and how it will respond. So let's move to this. Here you can see the intents, how to create the intents and what are the intents. Let's see that. Here we can see that there are current technologies intent which I have created. My bot replies to what current technologies market in that. So these are the current technologies intents, and we can see the default welcome intent and fallback intent, which are a default intent. Here first of all, how to create the agent, which consists in the, so here is the step, will provides the steps for creating new agent, and it will revert like this. Yeah, so you can assist, you can connect a Google project as well. So let's see how it works. Here it is, I have made my agent. So let's see how the intent it can be trained. These are the intents. I'll talk about the current technology intents and how we can prepare that. Here are the steps for create intent. We have created this intent. Here you can see the training phases on this. So training phases are like, tell me about this. Whatever the user passes the statement, you can say that tell me about this and current technologies or whatever these are the training phases. Here we have the parameters as well that we will see later in the next part. Here is the responses are there. If you say hi, let's see default welcome intent. If user says hi, then it can responses with lots of things like this. Text response, whatever is that. Here is the text response. Hi, my bot will reply, how are you doing, how can I help you, and everything. Now let's move to the entity part, which we will use in the as a parameters. Entity part as like my bot will reply to like these many technologies are there, whatever the consist is that. So how to bind this in the intent part? Let's see. Whatever the training phrases are there, just double click on that word and you will bind that with the technologies, like double click on that part and there will be technologies parameter. Here this technology parameter entity is working as parameter, like if user passes the statement like how about the Android, how about the Java, so Android and Java will be achieved as the parameters. So let's see what is the fulfillment. Fulfillment is what binds the intents and entity with the logic. What that's do? Fulfillment, what that's do? That is a logic part, and how to handle the request. It will work on that, how to handle the request. Let's see, this is a logic part and it is a JavaScript basis. So let's see how I have put the logic here. How I have used the intents. Let's see. Here you can see the intent maps. Intent map, whatever the intents we have created, this intents, and this is the technology, this is the function, this is the method what we have created. This is the default welcome and fallback technologies, whatever is there, and these are the functions name that you are going to bind this intent map. So whenever the user will ask the questions or user will pass anything in that, you will know. This get technologies will handle the request. Like if there is a question like what are my current technologies, then there is no parameter because it doesn't consist Android, Java, whatever the technologies parameters are there. So if it is 0, then it will, my bot will reply to these many languages are there. If it provides that it is Android, it will answer like this, and if it says Android and Java, it will say those are perfect. So how this fulfillment logic works like this. Now this thing has been done. Google Flow API has been prepared as per your by binding intent entities and knowledge and fulfillments. Okay, so let's now let's move to the Android part. Let's check what are the requisites are for that. So in Android, first we will bind we will implement the implementation. We will do library implementation. Here I have Dialogflow AI SDKs are there as LibAI and SDK, which we will use that. Here is the main activity part. We have initialized request objects and AI configuration. Basically, chatbot is AI based. So here we have integrated the AI configuration and AI data service or whatever the objects we are required. Here unique ID, by passing the unique ID we can pass the service context and build a session for that unique ID. AI request is handles the request. Now this is a background task, so we will implement an ASIC task which requests the query. Here the query is the whatever the user has passed the query, like hi, hello, whatever is that. So it will take request and it will respond as AI response. Why? What do AI response? AI response consists of the messages of fulfillment. Here I am getting the result, and then get fulfillment. Whatever the fulfillment logics are there, that will give you get messages. Get messages is an array which is whatever the agent dot add. Whatever you add with the agent, that will come with the loop in array message list. So basically this is how it will be handled. Response.get messages, and you can execute this message by using the get speech and everything. So this is basically our chatbot scenario. Now let's see how it works in the real world. Let's see how when you run how it works. Here I will say hi. My bot will reply. Hey, welcome to my agent. Hi, how are you doing? This is will my bot will reply. My bot is here is not welcome to my agent. Okay. So I will ask tell me here are the technologies that you should go for Java and with technology AI. Now my user will ask AI. So my bot will reply, yeah, AI is great to go with. This is my user can ask. So my bot will reply, yes, those are perfect. This reply has come as per the logic in fulfillment. So this is how the chatbot works with the artificial intelligence. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel. Information is available on your screens. Do not forget to click on bell icon to receive our latest updates. Thank you.